Evorel Sequi patches are a type of sequential hormone replacement therapy designed for women who are peri or early postmenopausal and still have a uterus. They come in two types of patches: Evorel 50, supplying estradiol alone for the first 2 weeks, and Evorel Conti, combining estradiol plus a progestogen, norethisterone, for the next 2 weeks to mimic a more natural cycle and protect the uterine lining. In US dollars, a pack of 24 patches might cost around US 160 to 170, equivalent to roughly $6 to $7 per patch, depending on where you buy. The benefits claimed are relief of hot flushes, night sweats, mood swings, sleep disturbances, vaginal dryness, and prevention of bone loss, osteoporosis. The ingredients are estradiol, a natural estrogen, and norethisterone, a synthetic progestogen. Estradiol helps replace what the ovaries stop producing, easing the symptoms caused by estrogen drop, while norethisterone counterbalances estrogen's effect on the womb to reduce risk of endometrial overgrowth. Many user reviews are positive. People say their hot flushes and night sweats reduced dramatically within a few weeks, mood improved, sleep got better, and even hair and skin looked healthier. One review said the patches literally got rid of all symptoms in a couple of weeks. Felt great. Another wrote that mood has lifted significantly, feeling more like themselves again. But there are some red flags. A few users report irregular or prolonged bleeding when switching to the combined patch phase, increased tiredness or sluggishness, sometimes mood swings or irritability, sometimes breast tenderness or digestive issues. Also, skin irritation or itchiness at the patch site is mentioned. Overall, when weighing benefits versus the few negatives, many users seem to believe Evorel Sequi is worth trying, especially if symptoms are severe. For many, the relief they get outweighs the initial discomfort. Of course, whether it's right for someone depends on their medical history, tolerability, and doctor's advice, but for many, it appears worth it.